In this video, we will see how do we factorize by using the difference of perfect square. So what does difference of perfect square means? If you have x square minus a square, x and a, okay, with the power 2 and you have difference, then you can make the factors of them as x plus a times x minus a. Okay, so let's understand this with the help of example. So suppose they ask you factorize the polynomial x square minus 25. So you have here x to the power 2. So to use this rule of perfect square, you need power 2 for both the numbers. But here you have 25. So you have to check 25. Which two same numbers on multiply give you 25? So it is 5 times 5. Correct? So we can write it as 5 power 2. Okay, you can easily remember it from here, like 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 2, 4, 3 times 3 is 9, and so on. So now let's rewrite our question. What it becomes? X power 2 minus, in place of 25, we can write 5 power 2. Okay, so what is the number without power? It's x and 5. So we can factorize them as, write the number without power. This is x and 5. X and 5. One time you write plus, one time minus. So these are the factors. Let's work on another example. H square minus 16g square. Okay, h is with power 2, g is with power 2. But this number 16 is without power 2. So 16 we can write 4 times 4. That is 4 power 2. So let's rewrite our question. H square minus 4 power 2 g power 2. So we can write it as h power 2 minus. Since 4 and g both have power 2, we can write them as 4g power 2. So without power, which numbers we have? H and 4g. So by using the formula, we can write it as product of two brackets. Here it is h 4g, h 4g, one time with plus, another time with minus. Okay, so the key concept is to write each number as a perfect square. Another example. So here you have 100 and 9. X is the with power 2. So 100. Yes, it is 10 power 2. 9. 3 power 2. So let's rewrite our question. It becomes 10 power 2 minus 3 power 2 x power 2. So what did you get? You can still write it as 10 power 2 minus 3 and x both have power 2. So write 3x together and its power 2. So writing the numbers without power 2. So this gives you 2 bracket. It is 10, 3x, 10, 3x. One time plus, another time minus. So this is how you make the factors. Let's take another example. 25. Yes, it is 5 power 2. X power 2 is originally in square form. No need to change. 36. 6 power 2. Y power 2 in the same form. No need to change. So 25 means 5 power 2 x power 2 minus 36 is 6 power 2 y power 2. Now you see here the numbers 5 and x with power 2. So you can write them as 5x together power 2 minus. Same thing here. 6 and y with power 2. So what is important here is the power. The power should be same. Then only you can write it together. Otherwise you can't. Okay. Now it is in this format. So you have 5x here, total power 2, and 6y, whole power 2. Same format. Use the rule. So again it's 2 brackets. First number 5x. Second number 6y. First term is 5x, 6y. One time with plus, one time with minus, and you are done. So this is how you factorize when you have the perfect square, difference of two perfect squares. Okay. Note that this is possible only when you have the function in this form. Otherwise, it's not possible.